headlights, and this is our first review.
And for the day, we have the Volkswagen Amio. Why? Because we Indians are a sucker for compact cars. So let's see what this thing can do.
So basically what we have over here is the Polo.
With an extended hood, but instead of the curves, Volkswagen has decided to go for the straight lines.
Exterior, you get dual beam headlights, fog lamp with cornering lights, and a chrome strip running through the front grille and the front bumper. So you get 15-inch multi-spoke alloys wrapped in MRF rubber, 45-liter fuel tank. Variant of the Amio gets rear parking sensors, reverse camera, and a 330-liter boot space, which is across all the variants. Hey guys, so we are in the interiors of the Amio. As you can see, it's similar to the Polo, flat bottom steering wheel, touchscreen infotainment system, and an MFT between the dials that lets you know everything you need to know about the car at a touch of your fingertips. Some of the first in class features are the cruise control, mirror link, a front center armrest, cool glove box, auto dimming IVRM, and AC vents.
So what we have here is a petrol 1.2 liter 3-cylinder MPI engine. It's an underscore engine with 76.5 bore and an 86.9 stroke. It's a 5-speed manual gearbox with 75 PS on the tap and 110 Newton meters of torque. And on the other hand, we have a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, which again is undersquared with a 77.0 bore and 80.5 stroke. It gets two transmission options, one being a 7-speed DSG and the other a 5-speed manual. It dishes out 110 PS and 250 Newton meters of torque. So right now we are in the 1.2 liter petrol Amio, and we are going to talk about the engine right now. So for starters, this is a 3-cylinder and it is extremely smooth. So are the gear throws. It's a very rev happy engine, but it doesn't like to be pushed too much, and there is a bit of a lag between 1000 to 2000 RPM, even though this is a non-turbocharged engine. It's a bit of a cruiser rather than pushing it to its limits, you can say. But like I said, it's more of a family-based car rather than a sporty thing. The suspension setup on this thing is a bit on the softer side because this is more in tune for soft driving. So in case you tend to push it a bit hard, I would recommend you not to do so because it tends to get a little bouncy. But while cruising around, yeah, it will just soak in the bumps very pleasantly. But yeah, it tends to get a little bouncy even through rough roads. But then again, you can't really blame the car. You gotta blame the roads for that. So we have changed seats into the 1.5 diesel Amio, and straight away you can tell that with the turbocharger, this thing is a blast on the road. The gear throws are a bit jerky in this one compared to the 1.2, but the torque definitely makes you smile. The engine is a rev happy engine, but it is pretty grumpy under the hood. But like I said, the turbo just makes you smile every time you get on the throttle. So guys, it's a wrap for the day. Thank you so much for watching the review. Special thanks to Volkswagen Goa. Please do hit the like button if you like the video, and stay tuned, we shall be back for more.